everyone, you're most welcome in my channel Aroundsatya. Today I'm going to tell you how to speak English, and for English speaking I have tricks and tips. You will speak English after watching this video. So let's begin the video. My first tip is listening. Yes, listening is very important for English speaking. So you are listening English language, then you can speak English without any problem. So what kind of things you can listen in English? So you can listen English radio, English podcast, English news channels, even you can listen English speaker. So listening is very important to improve your English. So if you are listening every single day, then definitely you can speak English. Number 2, use a mirror. Yes, use a mirror. I know that there are a lot of people who have shyness. They are worried to speak in front of other people and even in front of public. So you can use mirror if you are a shy person. So go in front of mirror and try to say something in English. And after watching yourself in mirror, you can see that your mouth muscles, your facial expressions, even your body language. And with it, you can improve your English, even you can kill your shyness. So my friend, use a mirror. Number 3, act like a child. Yes, act like a child. I know that child has a lot of curiosity. Child want to know about everything. I know that when we just grown up and we start to shy and we don't want to learn anything, and even our curiosity just less. So act like a child and just try to say everything. Don't worry about that. You are going to make a mistake. Don't worry. So act like a child and do what the childs do, especially in case of English. So be a child in English speaking and act like a child. I believe after acting like a child, you can definitely learn English how to speak very fast. Number 4, make mistakes. Yes, I said make mistakes. We all make mistakes. So if you want to learn English speaking fast, then you have need to make mistakes. Make a lot of mistakes. Don't worry about making mistakes. Because once Albert Einstein said, a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Yes, English is new language for yourself. So make mistakes. And we should try to learn something new, that mistake, then we will grow in our life very fast, even in case of English speaking. So my friends, start today. Start right now watching this video. Make a mistake and just try to say something. Number 5, be positive. Yes, be positive. I know that English is toughest language. English is a difficult language. And a lot of people have a lot of problems when they just try to speak English. So don't worry, I know that how difficult the language is. But we should try to be positive. Be positive every single day. Think in English. Yes, just try to think in English. If you are translating English into your native language, then you cannot speak English fluently. For English speaking, you have need to just thinking. Yes, when you are thinking about English language, then when it will be time of speaking, then you definitely can speak out and you can speak. So try to think in English. Everything, think in English. Don't say apple means save. Say apple means a kind of fruit that is tasty and its color is red and it is good for our health. So think in English and avoid translating, because translation is not going to help you. Start thinking add this movement in English language. Number 7, practice. Yes, practice, 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 and practice every single day, because practice makes perfect. If you want to be perfect in English speaking, then you have need to practice. Yes, my dear friend, by practicing, you can improve your English very fast, rapidly, and instantly. So just try to practice at this moment. And I know that if you are practicing English speaking, then you can definitely speak English. You can practice with your friends, you can practice alone, you can practice with your smartphone. And how? You can just record your voice in your smartphone, and then you can listen that audio, and then after you can understand that what you are saying and what you are speaking, and like this you can improve your English. So start practicing at this moment. Practice, 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 and practice every single day. So my dear friends, I have told you tips and tricks how to speak English without any problem. And I believe if you are following all these tips and tricks, then definitely you can speak English. Nobody can stop you. So you watch my video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.